Yeah, hi, Abhinav. Nadeep
Yeah,
here. Good evening. Yeah, I have total 9 years of experience in the QA, both manual and automation. Now I'm working at one.
okay. Vidya, uh, Sai Raman,
Hi
hello.
everyone, good evening.
Yeah,
I'm working since 5 years in manual testing in
hmm,
banking domain.
okay. Rasini, Soumya, can you give your introduction, please?
Yes, Abhinav. Hi
Yeah,
all.
hi, hi.
I'm having an overall experience of 9 years with multiple companies. I started career with Accenture, then Wipro, and currently I'm into Google Operations Center as
Okay,
senior quality analyst.
good. Piney, can you give your introduction?
Hey, Abhinav. Good
Yeah,
evening, everyone. So, I'm currently working as a lead uh, software test engineer with Axel Q, product-based organization with over 13 years of experience, both from academia and industry, spanning across QA and test roles. I'm currently the lead for AI-based application testing at our organization.
oh, great. Vidya,
Yeah, hi Abhinav. Good evening. I have overall of 13 years of experience where around 9 years I was into telecom domain and then I switched into IT and around 4 years I have an IT experience in the role of QA. I have an audit, I mean, I was working first as a manual QA and I have skilled myself in automation.
okay, great. Okay, fine. Yeah. So, guys, from all of you, how many of you know about, have you ever worked on any of the automation tools? Done any coding, did some automation, anything like that? Okay.
Selenium, Java, and Java. Abhinav.
So you have worked on it. Fine. So you have ever created any
Yeah.
framework on that? Okay.
Yeah, mostly I think our team was using a BDD framework. So
Okay.
not got a chance to completely get it from scratch, but then maintain it and then progress as we, build the assets.
Okay. Good, good, good. Okay. So see, here actually, uh, so I'm considering everyone as totally new, fresher in terms of automation. Fine. So,
Abhinav, sorry to interrupt. Can you accept it? One more person is joining. Yeah.
mhm.
Yeah. Thanks, Abhinav. Yeah.
Mm.
Hey, thanks for joining, Nisha.
Yeah, Nisha,
Yeah, you can go ahead. Yeah.
mhm. Nisha, we were just having the introduction. Can you please give your introduction? Or you are on mute? Okay, no issues. So, I'm here considering everyone as a fresher in terms of automation. Okay. So we will be starting from the basics. And here we are going to look about Playwright with TypeScript. Okay. Many people ask me, I want to learn JavaScript, I want to buy or TypeScript. See, whenever you will see any openings in the market, you will find all the openings with TypeScript slash JavaScript. TypeScript is made over JavaScript. Okay, guys. So TypeScript is made over JavaScript. When you write any any of your programs in TypeScript, it is after compiler, it got converted into JavaScript. That is a JS files. Okay, so don't get confused. Their 95% coding base is same. Okay, if you do with TypeScript, if you go with JavaScript in your interview, if you say any of them, they will say, okay, you can give interview in any of the language. Okay, so now our course is basically TypeScript. So if I just show you the syllabus, let me know, guys. Can you see my screen? Yeah.
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 Okay. So if you open it, so this is our total syllabus. Okay, so here in this syllabus, we will be starting from the scratch. Okay, automation, I will be letting you know what is automation, but everyone has the idea of it. Okay, we will be having daily 1 hour class, 7 to 2 hour. Okay, it will be, we'll be covering the complete syllabus. Fine. It may take more time also, it may take less time also, that doesn't matter. All have to understand the things. Next thing. So this here we will be starting with TypeScript. Okay, so we will be learning how to install TypeScripts. These are the basics. Okay, these are all the basics of TypeScript. Here, if you don't know TypeScript, you no issues. No issues. But guys should have some programming knowledge. That what is variable. Okay, what is function? Just have no knowledge. Okay, we cannot consider that we don't know anything about programming. We should have a basic knowledge. If you don't know, just go through, let me know. I will provide you the things, material for it. Okay, but the way we will start, it will be from the basics. We'll be going the basic of complete TypeScript. Okay, how it works, environment setup. We'll be using Visual Studio Code for it. Okay, we will set up the playwright. Okay, I will let you, every step will be there. Everyone will be on the same phase. We are not going to rush. We will be learning about playwright architecture also. See, there are different type of requirements in market. Few of the you have joined to switch or to get a better job. Okay, some of you have joined to work on playwright in your companies. Okay, so we will be covering both the aspects. I will be letting you know what are all the interview questions which are available, and we will be covering around 50 questions. See, here you can see, this is just an example I have opened. So this is the class going on. So these are the questions, say around it's 20, 30 questions for type playwright. Okay, if you open in the same way we have done, if I open, this is just a second. Now this is the new batch which is going on. Here we are having only programs for TypeScripts and it is going on. This is the batch which is at 8 o'clock. Okay. If I open the folder, we have created the frameworks also. You can see. We have created the complete framework also. Okay. So you will learn how to create the framework also. If I open it out, we have, if we talk about AI, so we have integrated complete MCP, okay, with the FLLM. Okay, we have also written the prompts with the help of AI and created our own scripts. So this script, which I am talking, see, this script is created by AI. Okay, so same way we will be learning in our course. Okay, so we will be learning about how actually all the elements work in Playwright. Okay, what are all the different locators, tables, checkbox, forms, wait, dialog box, actions, browsers, complex UI scenarios, we'll be learning. Then we'll be creating an end-to-end framework with the help of page object model. We'll be creating with the help of page object model that will be of a real-time e-commerce application. After creating all these frameworks, I will be putting all the code in GitHub. Okay. And at the end, we will be looking at our this API we will be covering in between only, that API testing. See, you might be knowing with the help of Java, okay, rest assured we automate the APIs, but Playwright also provides us the facility to automate the APIs. Okay, so we will be automating all our APIs, all these 4 requests. Okay, I have my own JSON server. So I will run that. I will let you know how to run that. You can run at your end also. And we will perform all this get, post, put, and delete request. See, here we have already done this. If you see get request. So these are the requests we have already done. Now you have to just automate Okay, you can use these requests at your office also. Find post request I have done. So we have done all these things with the help of Playwright only. Fine. And at the end, we will see, because see, AI is very important, but you cannot clear a interview if you say I will give interview with the help of AI. Okay, we cannot clear that interview. To clear any interview, you have to be, you have to know the complete coding. Okay, you have, because they will ask you to write the codes. AI, MCP, and LLM will help us to generate that code easily. Okay, that I will tell you at the end. So whatever we'll do can be easily generated with the, but we should actually know what our code is, what the AI is generating. We should know that code. Tomorrow, if say your manager asks, see, this is the code, just make these 2, 3 changes in this code. Okay, because AI is not able to get it. There are situations. So how will you be able to do? So to do that changes, we have to know the basic syntax. We have to know the programming language. Okay. Else everything can be easily done with the help of MCP, LLM, AI in the Playwright. Okay, guys. Any questions anyone have?
So,
Any questions?
one quick question, Abhinav. What kind of knowledge you expect on JavaScript? I see you talking about some basics of JavaScript as well, right?
No, I am not expecting any JavaScript knowledge. I am expecting you guys should know what is a variable. It might be in C, C++,
Mm,
Java, any language.
got it.
Okay.
Got it.
I
Thanks.
hope all of us are from engineering background or MCA or have done some degree in engineering in IT. Okay, so that is my requirement, that we should know at least what are the variables are, integer type, float, what is number, what is string, these small things. Okay, if you know, that is very good. If you don't know, let me know. I will share some videos you can look into. Okay, that is important, because what happens then, gap, suppose 4 out of you know about this thing, about 1% don't know anything, so it will create problem for you. Okay, so I will provide him where to go it. Just know the basics, just know the basics, else everything will be covered. Because see, if we talk about in engineering terms, if I say suppose I want to create an object. Okay, so you must have heard what is object. I have to create a class. You have must have heard what is a class. I have to create a variable as string. You know string, integer. You know integer, float, float. You know. So these are the terms. If we talk, everyone should just realize. Yeah, I know that things. Okay. If you don't know that, we will teach it. Okay, we will teach everything, but just see that you have the basics. Say if I define a variable a is equal to 10, so means a is getting the value 10. Getting the things? Anyone? Any question in this? Anyone? Nisha, Vidya, Sairaman,
I'm good.
Anudeep. Yeah, all good? Okay. So why I have a question, guys? Why you people are coming for Playwright? Why you guys are going for Playwright? Any answers? And how
Yeah,
Playwright? Yes, please go ahead.
uh, as far as I know, next to Selenium, now Playwright is the booming thing, and it is good to know.
Selenium is now outdated. To be frank, uh, even for our trainings where we are, no one is asking for Selenium. Okay, only on the old projects they are converting Selenium to Playwright. So what is the reason that Playwright has came so far in so less time? Because it came in 2020-21 only, and the Selenium is from 2010. So main reason is it's a Microsoft product. Okay, so always the main reason Playwright has came so far is due to its product is Microsoft. It is an open source, but from Microsoft. Okay, Selenium is not sponsored by any company, so that is the main issue. And Second thing is it is built upon, it's run over Node.js, and Node.js is also part of Microsoft. And IDE which we used is Visual Studio Code, which is also a part of Microsoft. So in the end, I can say, so it is a complete package by Microsoft. Okay, so Playwright have its own MCP. MCP I will teach you. MCP, see, it is a connector which help you to run your scripts on different browser after a script is generated through a API AI. Okay, so it has its own MCP. Okay, though Selenium MCP are created by some persons, but we know Playwright MCP is created by Microsoft. So that's why it came so. That's why it came so far so quickly. Fine, guys. Any question in it?
I'm good.
Good. So what I told you, just Playwright is an open source modern automation development, end-to-end testing, and web applications. Remember, you can only automate web applications. You can only automate web applications. You cannot automate desktop-based applications. Okay, desktop-based application example calculator. Fine.
Abhinav, I think you're breaking. We cannot hear you properly.
Other guys able to
Is
hear
that
me
only for
properly?
me or for all?
Yeah, able to hear you.
It's fine for me.
Please check. Okay, it is fine for other guys. Okay, so Playwright is an open source and it is a modern automation tool, and it is developed by Microsoft end-to-end testing and web applications. Okay, so that's why we can say Playwright is a part of Microsoft. Second, what are the actual advantages? Okay, what are all the actual advantages? See, one more thing. API, so okay, let's go with the actual advantages. So first advantage is of Playwright is feature, you can call advantage, you can call whatever you want. So it is true multi-browser and cross-platform support. So so it supports Chromium. Chromium means Google Chrome and Edge. Its mix is known as Chromium. It supports WebKit. WebKit means Apple Safari. It supports Firefox. Okay, and cross-platform means it supports Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and it helps us in continuous integration. One more advantage, it provides native mobile emulators. What is native mobile emulations? See, we don't have to get a particular mobile to get attached. So we get the emulation of it. Okay, so we simulate our mobile device screen on it. Okay, with its agents. So it helps us in also. But what happens in Selenium, if you know, guys? So Selenium, we used to have that. What was the thing which we call in Selenium? Guys, remember for mobile automation, what is that term? Mhm.
APM.
APM, yes. Sorry. I forgot it. Yeah. So for Selenium, we have to get APM integration. Okay. Then only we were used to run it. Fine. But it is not here. Fine. We get the direct simulate the mobile device screen here. Another advantage is auto waiting. What is auto waiting? See, in Selenium, we have to provide with implicit wait and explicit wait. See, this is an interview question for those who have Selenium in their resume also. But we should know what was the favorite tool before it and why, what are the advantages of this tool over that. Okay, so auto waiting. So auto waiting basically I was saying in Selenium we have implicit wait and explicit wait. But here there is no concept. If you have a test case, it will wait for 30 seconds. automatically. Okay, we don't have to specify. Till the time the things come, it will wait for 30 seconds. If you have a click event, it will wait for 2 seconds for it. So it has only its own waiting technologies. Okay, you don't have to specify. Fine. Next is its speed is far better than any other tool in the market currently. So we can call it as incredible speed and parallel execution. Okay, so its speed is very good. Okay, if you don't put, we put explicitly wait to teach so that people can see what is going on. Okay, I am saying automating is there, but we see in the code also we put because we are teaching you guys. So we should see, suppose any program I take this drop down, I have to put myself wait, else it will do things so fast you won't able to realize. Okay, so it is very fast. It has powerful tooling ecosystem. Powerful tooling ecosystem. What does this mean? See, it can take its own, if a test case fails, it can create its own videos. It can take its own images. It has a track viewer. So what happens, see if I show you something, if I just open it. Okay. See here I have already shown a screenshot at the time of failure. Videos, okay, return on failure. So as soon as any test case fails, it will make a video. It will take the screenshot, even the track. Track means it will show you step by step what happened. So Playwright has a powerful tooling ecosystem, guys. Okay. Next is it support multi-languages. It support multi-languages like JavaScript. Okay, TypeScript. It support Java, Python, C Sharp. It supports multiple languages. Okay. So these are the major advantages of Playwright over any tools in the market. Okay, and its structure is also made in this such a way that it has a direct communication with browsers. That we call it as a WebSocket communication. Okay, in Selenium we used to have HTTP based protocol. Okay, so we used to install the driver, then we have to do in Selenium we have HTTP. But if I talk about this Playwright, it has a WebSocket connections. You don't have to download drivers, or it just directly puts the communication you can start. Here, driver comes into play, you click on it, it go through driver, it performs the. Now here what happens? It has a direct communication, WebSocket connection. Okay, I will teach this architecture in the coming classes as this is a demo class and I have another batch at 8 o'clock. Okay, so guys, any questions, anyone? Do you have?
What kind of framework we are going to see? Okay.
We will be working on page object model.
Okay. Is that do we like we'll be getting a knowledge of mobile testing also in as part of Playwright?
You can run
API.
that. Yeah, API testing is there. Yes. If you see, I will just show you. So we have everything. Get request is there. Okay. So we have delete request is there. Okay. So we will be going with
Okay.
post request, put request. All this will be there. Yeah.
Okay.
Any other
Thank you.
So,
question?
one question, Abhinav.
Hmm.
My client now, they are using Selenium with Java.
Hmm.
In the future, if they have to migrate it from Selenium to Playwright,
Hmm.
so how seamless it is?
How? How?
Again, we have to seamless. I mean, we can. How can we migrate it from Selenium to Playwright? All the code and everything, we have to write it from scratch, or
No, no.
okay.
Do we get a demo for that? Like get a knowledge for that also, like migration of migrating from Selenium to
I
Playwright.
think you got my question right, Abhinav?
Yes. So you are looking to migrate your Selenium code to Playwright. Okay.
Correct.
So see, first of all, thing is just keep your framework as it is. Okay. Take any of your, say what you just you have to first of all set up your Playwright environment side by side. Okay. Just set up your Playwright's environment side by side. Okay. And after that, what you have to do, we will be either using AI for it. Okay. Complete AI. Okay, that we'll be putting this code, your Selenium code on the AI, and we can ask it to convert it directly to your Playwright code. That can be done. Okay, either you see, you don't have to rewrite anything. You don't have to rewrite anything. Either you can take file by file, you can ask AI to convert it into Playwright. Okay, or you can even put your complete what we call framework on AI. Okay, you can ask your this uh, Codium, or you can ask Copilot to convert it accordingly. So that will help you. But here the thing is that it might, in the case, they may ask for a paid version. Okay, so you can convert it easily. Yeah, either you can go file by file, or see, we are also using the same things. What I used to teach in Selenium, I have 50 examples of Selenium. So I'm using the same examples to teach in Playwright also. Okay, same things are happening. Both are same. Okay, base is the same. Both are using objects. You have to do the same thing. Click over here, drag, drop, and everything. So we are also converting our Selenium program into Playwright programs and teaching it out in the initial classes. Okay, so these things are totally same. You can directly. You don't have to write step by step. You can directly ask AI to convert it. It give you the answer.
Yeah, got it. Thanks.
We can work on it. See, in 2-3 minutes,
Yeah,
I cannot give this answer totally, but
I
there are
understand.
steps which we can work on it.
Got it.
Yeah. Uh, Soumya, you was asking me, will you migration, all this thing? Who was asking?
It's me, Nisha.
Nisha, yeah, okay. So Nisha, I can give you that answer total because just a time constraint was there. So either you can go one by one, okay, or you can go with a complete framework transformation also. Okay, both are possible. Everyone is doing the same thing. Everyone. Okay.
Yeah,
Any other questions?
thanks. Yeah, thanks, Abhinav. I think you have another session.
Yes,
So
yes. Okay, guys. So if we continue, we will connect at 7 o'clock. Fine.
yeah, sure, Anil.
Okay, fine, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah,
All right.
thank you all.
Thanks,
Thank you,
sir.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Abhinav.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Yeah.